Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. f of x equals a negative x plus 2 on the interval from negative 2 to 2, and we want to find the average value of the function and the value c that satisfies the mean value theorem. Let's go first find f of c, the average value. Our formula tells us that it's 1 over b minus a, so 2 minus a negative 2, the a value. On the integral, now, or multiplied by the integral, from negative 2 to 2 of our function, negative x plus 2 dx. Well, let's go simplify this. Let's go find the average value here. 1 over 2 minus a negative 2 is 1/4, right? That's positive. Multiply that by the integral of negative x plus 2, which, pretty simple, is just a negative x squared over 2 plus 2x. And again, we're integrating that from a negative 2 to positive 2. So then from here, again, simplify, 1/4 stays down here. We plug 2 in for x. Now, while I'm at work here, I did this work for you, and when I plugged a 2 in for x, I got a positive 2. When I plugged a negative 2 in for x here of my function, I got a negative 6. Now we're subtracting a negative 6, adding a positive 6, so we have a 1/4 times 2 plus a positive 6 is an 8. That comes out to be 1/4 times 8, which is a 2. And so 2 is the first part here, and that's our average value of the function. So 2 is the average value of the function over the interval. But now we want to find the value of c that satisfies this. So f of c, plug c into our function here, is a negative c plus 2. And we found that that was equal to, right, it was all said and done, a 2. Not too hard to solve here. Negative c equals, subtract 2 to both sides, and we have a 0. Divide both sides by negative 1, and c equals 0. And so 0 is the value that don't forget the u there, that satisfy MVT, the mean value theorem. So our final answer here again, the average value of the function on the interval is 2, and the value c that satisfies the mean value theorem is a 0. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.